अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपने इस वीडियो में आप सबके लिए सेकेंड ईयर की इंग्लिश बुक 2 लेके आई हूँ, जो कि पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 पर मुश्तमिल है। पार्ट 1 में कुछ चैप्टर्स इन्होंने दिए हुए हैं, चैप्टर 1 से लेकर चैप्टर 10 तक, और पार्ट 2 में इन्होंने हीरोज़ दिए हुए हैं। इनके सिंपल हमने बस क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और ग्लोसरी करनी है। मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में चैप्टर नंबर 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पर वीडियो बनाई थी, जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी। आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 2 यूजिंग द साइंटिफिक मेथड, उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एक्सरसाइज वाले। मैं आपको साथ पेपर पैटर्न के हिसाब से बताते चलूँ तो जो पार्ट 1 है उसमें से ये चैप्टर 1 और 10, चैप्टर 1 से 10 तक 9 में से 6 सवाल आपने करने हैं। टोटल 9 आएंगे, जिसमें से आपने 6 करने हैं, ठीक है। और इसी तरह अगर हम पार्ट 2 को देखें तो 8 सवाल आएंगे, जिसमें से हमने 6 करने हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ हैज़ द साइंटिफिक मेथड हेल्प अस इन आवर फाइट अगेंस्ट डिजीज? आंसर, in the past many people died of fatal diseases like yellow fever, typhus, cholera, typhoid fever, measles and whooping cough. The scientific method has helped us in our fight against disease with the invention of modern medicine and epidemic control. Question number 2, write a note on the better sanitary conditions available in our cities today and compare them with what they were like 100 years ago. Answer, sanitary conditions in our larger cities 100 years ago were very poor, but today our city streets are paved, well drained and well cleaned. Sewage from all sections of cities is carried through sealed pipes. Clean water is supplied to the inhabitants. Question number 3, what are the sanitary conditions like in our villages today and how would you improve them? Answer, in our villages sanitary conditions are not good, streets are not paved and well drained. System of sewerage is not proper, outdoor toilets are common. We can improve them by proper planning and by making people conscious about their health. Streets must be paved, garbage must be thrown at specific places. Question number 4, how has the scientific method helped us in the production and preservation of foods? Answer, it has been made possible to increase the production of food by using various fertilizers and pesticides manufactured by the scientific method. Moreover, the scientific method has also enabled us to find new ways of preservation of foods, like dehydration and quick freeze methods, which increase the quality of the foods. Question number 5, we are now generally less fearful than our ancestors. What were our ancestors afraid of? Answer, we are now generally less fearful than our ancestors because they believed in the science of good or bad luck. They were afraid of black cats, broken mirrors and the number 13. They wore different kinds of charms to avoid bad luck, whereas we do not believe in all these things. Question number 6, how has the scientific method enabled us to get over the old fears? Answer, superstitious beliefs are got over by the use of the scientific method, which has shown that there is no sound basis for them. It has taught us that there is always a good natural reason for everything that happens. Question number 7, what part did astrology play in the lives of men and women in the past? Give examples. Answer, astrology and fortune telling affected the lives of people greatly in the past. People attributed both good and bad influences to stars. They consulted sorcerers and astrologers before doing anything. Question number 8, describe some of the superstitions still current in our country. How do they affect the lives of those who believe in them? Answer, there are a lot of superstitions in our country. People believe in charms, black cats, crows, crackles and many other things. Business of fortune telling is thriving in all areas of Pakistan. Some people plan their activities in the light of the science of good and bad luck even. उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरी नए आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुँच सके। मेरी अगली वीडियो आए तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।